When you need a replacement part for your Hitachi machine, you have two choices. Either buy new or choose a remanufactured component. Like new Hitachi parts, remanufactured components will keep your machine operating in top condition. They cost significantly less than new components and are ideal for preventative maintenance, getting you back to business quickly. Plus, they have a smaller environmental impact. Simply exchange the defective part from your machine, the core, for a remanufactured component via your dealer. Cable Price will return the core to Hitachi, so it can be sent to one of our dedicated centers for remanufactured components. Here, it's remanufactured to the latest specifications and tested to the same high standards as new components. It's then ready for another Hitachi customer and comes with a comprehensive warranty for added peace of mind. So, if you're looking for an affordable, available and sustainable solution to your machine maintenance without compromising on quality, contact Cable Price to find out more about Hitachi remanufactured components.